In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stake Ethereum on Kraken, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users, so all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. So this is very easy and it will allow you to generate money on completely autopilot. So as you can see, by staking Ethereum you will get almost 3% APY and you don't need to do anything. So of course the more money you have on this feature, the more money you will get. And all you need to do is go to earn right here at this left sidebar menu and then click on Ethereum. So right here you should see all the coins you have. So I'm going to click on Ethereum and you might find different strategies. So for example, this one will offer a higher APY, but the unstaking wait time is 14 days. So this means that you will need to have your money locked for at least 2 weeks. Then this one will offer a lower APY, but the unstaking wait time is just 6 days. So in my case, I don't really mind because I don't want to use the Ethereum, so I can wait for longer. So just click on continue, then select how much Ethereum you want to lock, click on review, and you will find all the details about this stake right here. So click on confirm, and now you have staked your Ethereum. So right here you should find your Ethereum, you should find your payouts at the bottom as well, and you can click right here to see more details. Click here if you want to withdraw, you can unstake, you can see your earnings and much more. So that's it, that's how you can stake Ethereum on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.